This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning guys, it is October 11th, 2018. This one here I got a call for a leak under a bathroom sink. I'm going there now, seeing what's going on with it. Well, I think she said it was the drain. She put a bucket under it. So, we'll see.
3.5 miles. Turn right on State Road.
That thing in the back is loose. The pop-up hose is loose. Tightened it by hand. That's probably what it was. That was loose. Nope. She's definitely backing up. Wow. No, look at the top. The top broke off. No good. We gotta replace that. Whew. Slimy here. Molly, what's going on? What's going on there, cutie pie? Alright, I gotta change the pop-up. Put a brand new one in there. Yeah. Sometimes if I change out a faucet and, they don't need the pop-up, I save them. That's usually how I get these. Some putty and my tools. Let's pop this off for now. It's a grubber. We'll have to try to get in the pot there if we can. I can save this pot. Sometimes I'll reuse those. I'll save this, clean that up. Save that for another job. So I'll put this in from the bottom and then I'll screw the top in. I'm just going to tighten it up on the bottom there. It's always good to get this started ahead of time. Once it's all tight, we could tighten this up, you know. Right, let's tighten this nut up now. I like to put pipe dope on my stuff. Seems to work better. Less of a chance of it leaking later. If you don't dope it, sometimes it'll leak. Alright, so this goes in like this. When you push it down, it lifts it up. When you pull it, it comes down. You can either put it in this way or this way. This way you got more throw, usually comes up higher. See if it leaks. What I like to do is usually fill it up and give it the old dumperoo. Faucet doesn't look too wonderful, does it?